910 Orion Spark RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. Orion Spark was designed to give gamers an edge over the competition with our exclusive new Roamer G mechanical switches. We developed these switches from the ground up to deliver improved gaming performance. They have a 1.5mm actuation distance, which enables 25% faster activation than the most popular mechanical keyboard switch. They're also 40% more durable, rated at 70 million keystrokes. The center illuminated design means that the key stem is significantly wider than other mechanical keyboard switches, delivering a great click feeling with greater stability and less wobble. Orion Spark features full RGB illumination. You can customize each key from a palette of over 16 million colors. Using Logitech gaming software, you can create distinct color zones, automatically illuminate only the keys that are active in the game you're playing, or set the entire keyboard to play back cosmetic effects like breathing, color cycling, and color waves that will give you access to a wide range of information.
It was our conscious decision from the beginning to use only Cherry switches. They're German-made, they're the highest quality, they're the gold standard in mechanical switches.
You know, Cherry mechanical keys have great durability, they have great rigidity, and most importantly, they have the best consistency of all the mechanical switches available.
Cherry switches are guaranteed to 50 million key presses, meaning the first key press will feel the same as at least the 50 millionth key press.
They really want to make sure that when they sell us the switch, it's gone through as much QA as possible to live up to our expectations.
Cherry's reputation is so good because of the amount of testing they put into developing the product. They do temperature testing, they also do a mechanical durability testing where they have this rig that basically, taps the key so many millions of times to guarantee their target of minimum 50 million keystrokes.
Look, everybody has a different play style, so no matter what preference you have, we have a solution for you.